What is the height of a cuboid in terms of V when the volume is V cubic meters and the base area is 24 square meters? A cuboid is a cube, and here I have shown a cube. The cube has the same length when it comes to the length, width, and height. So the length, width, and height of a cube are equal. The volume of a cube is given by the formula length times width times height. So volume is always given by the formula length times width times height. And if you are in Singapore, you will use the word length times breadth times height. In North America, the US and Canada, many schools use width instead of breadth, so that it's length times width times height. But it's the same thing. Now I want you to observe this formula. It's this section here. It's length times width, and this looks very familiar. This is the formula of an area of either a rectangle or a square. So we know that the base area of a cube is a square, and in the question it says that it's 24 square meters. This length times width is actually equals to 24 square meters. It is the base area. So we can actually substitute at this point length times width with 24 times h, and h is equals to height. And we know that this volume here is equals to V. So we let V is equals to 24 times H. I'm going to write this V is equals to 24 H. Then I'm going to flip. 24 H is equals to V. I just write it the other way around, but it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. It's just written the other way around. Now this is an equation. It is not an expression. I have actually made a video telling people the difference between an equation and an expression. This here is an algebraic equation. It is not an expression. There is a left-hand side. This is the left-hand side, and the V is on the right-hand side. So now we are supposed to do the h. We want to find h, the height. Well, if only the 24 would go away, that would be perfect. I want to make the 24 go away. Yeah. Now the way I do this is I take 24 h, divide by 24. This is equals to v divided by 24. Yeah, because this is an equation, they have to balance. The left-hand side and the right-hand side has to balance. So 24h is equals to v. And if I divide the left-hand side by 24, I must divide the right-hand side by 24 also, so that they balance. And 24 divided by 24 is equals to 1. So h is equals to v divided by 24 meters, and this is my answer.